Hello, I'm assembling a pull-up stand and there's washers. You got the different sizes and the screws. And they go in with the washers, but I don't know in what order. Does the big washer go first? Does the small washer? And I got part of it going like here. Now I guess I got the, where are the washers? Oh, the washers appear to be between here. I don't know. I got two washers in between here. Do they go on top? Do they go on the bottom here? Do they go in between? And washers. I got the washers here and the screw here. So I'm not sure where the washers go.